All right, all right. We had quite a sell-off today. Looked like we were going to rebound around 1 o'clock, and then it just turned around and marched itself right back down. So, very aggressive daily bar, kind of scary, making its move down to the 61.8 retracement area. Um, really, really scary bar. Very negative. I don't see anything looking so positive on the 60 either. So we could expect a continuation on Monday, but we do have 5 days in a row down. Really uncommon. Haven't really seen that since February. So I mean, I don't know how wholehearted I would play a short, but definitely a negative situation. Looking at Bitcoin, um, this is a bear flag. It triggered. Um, It's just got to come down, test this low right here, and then break that, and it should keep marching. Marching. What else are we looking at? Let's take a look at Vinco Ventures for one of our free folk who made the request. Looks like the daily's rolling over, not a lot of momentum, but it could have been dragged down by the market action today. I mean, I don't see any entry or anything. This was a bear flag. You can call this a run up, and it triggered, consolidated here, triggered. I don't like these topping tails, and it's really got to break this high to make any move anywhere. If it breaks that low, I'd look for it to come down and maybe come down to about the 805 area. And another one that young lady had requested. I think I have to spread this out to get to it. Support.com. No. Yeah, that one just looks like it's selling off. I mean, that's the typical meme pattern. It'll probably break this low and continue down. You got some gaps and stuff. That one I wouldn't even bother with. And what else? Let's just take a quick look at AMC. Look at AMC. That's like the only one that's been resilient today. The only thing up, AMC. That's not bad. It's just doji. I mean, it popped up. I don't like that gap up. It'll probably come back and close that gap. But that, I mean, it's obviously bullish. Things are going on. Looks like it might make a double top on the 60. Just watch that on Monday. And it'll turn around and retrace. And that's about it for me for the week. Hopefully Monday is an up day. I'd be looking forward to that. I don't want to see a breakdown in the market. I really think that people are just feeding into the idea that September is a bad month. So that's how they're playing it. I mean, we have some opening worries, but the reality is the world's got to get back to normal, man. Singapore already decided, hey, COVID is something we got to live with. I mean, that's got to be the trend that everybody is looking at, and we'll just have to move accordingly. Things look worse because some people didn't want to take the vaccine. So this is what happens when they don't take the vaccine. But hospitals seem to be able to manage the outbreaks. A lot of young kids are getting vaccinated, so I think the schools will be all right. And yeah, voluntarily wearing a mask helps protect people. So that's it. I mean, it's survival of the fittest and the smartest, I guess. And the economy should be fine. So I don't know if I'm willing to invest in this sell-off yet, emotionally. Yeah, I'd like to see a double top first. If I see a double top and a breakdown, then I'd be worried. Right now, I'm going to have to see a lower high. If I see a lower high, then I'd have to say, okay, things are looking pretty bad. So I haven't quite seen that. Well, I mean, we've seen these trade-offs once a month, so we'll live with it. We'll deal with that. Anyway, that being the case, everybody have a nice weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.